Welcome to our channel. If you want to use your iPhone as a Roku remote, follow these easy steps to control your Roku streaming device with your smartphone. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone and Roku device are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for the official Roku mobile app. Step 3. Download and install the Roku app for free. Step 4. Launch the Roku app and sign in with your Roku account credentials. Step 5. The app will automatically scan your network for Roku devices. Tap on your device name when it appears. Step 6. If prompted, enter the code displayed on your TV screen to pair your iPhone with your Roku. Step 7. Once connected, you'll see a remote control interface on your iPhone with all the standard navigation buttons. Step 8. Use your iPhone to control your Roku just like a physical remote and enjoy additional features like voice search, private listening through headphones connected to your iPhone, and easy text input using your iPhone keyboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.